Have you got a pair?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to wear the pair you wore now.
No, I've got another pair, yeah.
What do you mean? How's this, guys? This is now Thursday afternoon. Ramsgate, guys. We are now going to take a dive in the ocean. That's Southbroom. Here we are in Ramsgate. Wow! I can't come here and not jump in the ocean. He says it's cleansing. So I have to jump in the ocean, guys. Come on. Come on! Woo! Right, here we go, guys. Not gonna go deep. There's no lifeguards here. So always be very careful. Always swim where there's lifeguards. But I don't think there's lifeguards here, but get wet. Okay, here we go. So that's the wave. Oh. Dude. Oh, man. Okay, yeah. Now I understand. Man. Woo. Woo. It's been such a lucky day. Oh, look at that, guys. That is awesome. This is why we live here. And you know what? It took me half an hour to jump in this water. Follow me. The guy with the falling pen. Check here. Oh. Ooh. Check here. Oh yeah. Exactly. So let's get a lacquer checker while we wet. Boom, fresh water. Not a bad way to spend a Thursday afternoon in South Africa, isn't it? Dude. Oh, it's a yellow card. Check it. Oh, beaut, man. And that's a purple-crested sirocco. They don't call it a luri anymore. Well, I'll call it a luri. That's a purple-crested luri in the background. That's the Southbroom Estuary. Or the Southbroom there in the distance. This is another day right here at the end of the world. Tip of Africa, South Africa. KwaZulu-Natal, guys. Ha! Yes. Good day on you, sir. Good day. Good morning, everyone.